AI isn't a threat, it's your assistant. Worried AI might replace you? Flip that mindset. Amplifier, not adversary. AI multiplies your output, drafts emails, analyzes data, even generates ideas. 24/7 researcher, ask questions at 2 a.m. and get actionable insights by breakfast. Bias checker, AI flags blind spots in your strategy if you train it right. Scalability engine, one prompt can reach thousands of customers with a personalized message. Treat AI as your smartest team member and watch what you accomplish together. How I use AI to track revenue. Tracking revenue can be a nightmare. Here's how AI makes it effortless. Automated data pulls. My AI agent connects to Stripe, QuickBooks, HubSpot, no manual exports. Real-time dashboard. It updates the visuals every hour so I can spot trends before they become problems. Anomaly alerts. If a key metric dips 5%, I get a ping on my phone with insights and suggested fixes. Forecasting engine. It projects next quarter's revenue based off of seasonality and deal velocity, down to the dollar. Use AI to track your numbers so you spend less time counting and more time growing.